Alright, back on this Galant. I got a known good waveform. Timing belt is off. It's off about a tooth and a half, so maybe 2 teeth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a leak down test to make sure the valves aren't bent. What you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it over on each cylinder until you got movement on each rocker arm and your exhaust and intake. I got just my compression tester with the Schrader valve out. I just want to blow air in the cylinder. Air in the cylinder. Then you go over to your intake, open your throttle plate. Don't hear anything coming out of that. I'll go ahead and walk around to the exhaust pipe. Don't really hear anything coming out of that. So let's say that cylinder is good. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Do the same thing to the other 4 cylinders. Just rotate it over by the crank pulley each time till your rockers are loose. And put air in the cylinders, and if none of the valves leak, then I'll go ahead and put a timing belt on this thing.